So if you're looking for a glass kettle, well, they say they're the original one, and I can see why they're so popular. Because the kettle's all glass and the element is actually separated and built right into this part right down here, that allows you freedom to actually be able to put whatever you want inside of it, and it holds a good and quick boil. You can do all kinds of great things with it. Now for the puck itself, you'll notice the cord is very short, and that's because when you turn it over, it wraps around the whole unit. And that's going to start counting up. We're going to see how this does. We're going to press down on the button and we're all good. Ooh, look at that. Nice blue LED light ringing that up. So here we are. Right away, as soon as we turned it on, look at that. We're starting to see bubbles. So we're going to fast forward over this and get ourselves to the end. I'll hold up the clock so this way we all can get a good view of that. And so there you are. 4 minutes and it's at a full boil. I probably could have cut that a little shorter, and I still could have said it's at a full boil. But look at that. 4 minutes boiling water. Now that's 4 cups of water, and it was cold right out of the tap. And of course, liters are marked on this side and milliliters, and on the back side you do get all the cups. Now look at that. I can spin this around and it'll still keep going because of the way it's designed. Convenient, easy to use. That's what it's all about.